Welcome to an Excel tutorial. We're unveiling a powerful skill: how to reverse first names and last names in Excel. Join us as we explore two dynamic methods, one harnessing the power of Excel formulas and the other leveraging VBA code. Let's dive into this name reversing adventure. If you need to reverse first name and last name in a column and then put the result into another cell in another column, you need to get or extract the first name or last name firstly and then combine those names into the same cell. You can write an Excel formula or write a new Excel VBA code to achieve it. Let's see the first method in action. It relies on the brilliance of Excel formulas, combining the mid and find functions to reverse names effortlessly. In a new column, use the formula equals mid, v2 and v2. Find v2 plus 1. Len, v2. Adjust the cell references as needed and drag the formula down to apply to the entire column. Witness as Excel dynamically swaps first names and last names. Now, let's explore the second method, a user-defined function to reverse names using VBA code. Let's see how it's done. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications VBA editor. Click Insert to Module to create a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Back to the current worksheet, then run the above Excel macro. Select the range of cells that contains the first name and last name. Then click OK button. Enter one delimiter character, such as SAPS character, in the text box. Then click OK button. You will see that the first name and last name have been reversed in the selected range of cells. With these two methods in your arsenal, you now possess the mastery to effortlessly reverse first names and last names in Excel. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers, and, as always, thanks for watching.